In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the armature on a DeWALT DW718 miter saw. I'll start by removing the belt cover and then the belt. Next, I'll remove the motor end cap and then the brushes. I just need to remove the brushes from their holders. I don't have to take them completely off of the saw. Next, I'll remove the two screws that secure the wires to the saw. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that attach the motor assembly to the rest of the saw. And now I'll simply pull the motor assembly away from the rest of the saw. With the motor assembly removed from the saw, now I can pull the armature away from the field and motor housing. Just a couple quick notes about the armature. First, when you remove and replace the armature, you'll want to be careful not to damage the fan. If you break the fan, you'll have to replace the entire armature because the fan is not sold separately. Also, if you need to remove the bearings, the larger bearing can be difficult to remove. For more information on how to remove it, refer to our video titled How to Remove a DeWALT Miter Saw Armature Bearing. Now I'll go ahead and replace the armature. I'll begin by sliding the armature back into the field and motor housing assembly. Now I'll remount the motor assembly back to the motor mount bracket. Next, I'll replace the motor screws. Now I'll reattach the cord mount screws. Now I'll put the brushes back into the brush holders. And replace the motor end cap. And I'll finish up by replacing the belt and the belt cover.